EasyFix Garage Door offers top-notch garage door repair services in Palm Desert, CA. With our experienced technicians and prompt service, we ensure that your garage door issues are resolved efficiently. Whether it's a broken spring, malfunctioning opener, or damaged panels, we've got you covered. Our team is well equipped to handle all types of garage door brands and models. We prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to provide affordable solutions that meet your needs. Contact our garage door repair services today for consultation. Are you looking for a garage door repair services near me? You can stop looking. You found EasyFix Garage Door Repair. How do you diagnose a garage door opener problem? Make sure the garage electrical breaker is in the right spot and that the opener is plugged in. Verify that your door has not accidentally been manually locked. Replace the keypad or remote control's batteries. How many years does a garage door last? Although a number of factors will affect a garage door's actual lifespan, on average, it will endure for 15 to 30 years. Depending on the location of the garage. What is your garage door repair services area for the Palm Desert, California office? Our local garage door repair services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Palm Desert, Sunfair, Chiriaco Summit, Borrego Springs, Anza, Hemet, Palm Springs, Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs, Morongo Valley, North Palm Springs, Desert Edge, Thousand Palms, Cathedral City, Cahuilla Hills, La Quinta, Cactus City, Indio, Coachella, California. Where is your Palm Desert, California garage door repair services located? We are located at 74399 CA 111 Suite D, Palm Desert, California 92260. Our phone number is 760-354-9983. Visit our website, https://easyfixgaragedoor.com.